Oh, he's right to our right. He's to our right. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, whoa, cow. Damn it, I do not have enough energy. I'm stalling. Oh, no, no, no. Don't go into a spin. Do not go into a spin. Do not go into a spin.
Oh, no. You have doomed us all.
Okay, he's off to our 9 o'clock. He's zipping out in front of us again.
Oh, my God. That was not
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Get out. Eject.
so... You fool!
Ah. Hey, we got a maneuver kill.
Hey!
Oh, man. You want to try that again?
Get him. Get him.
Working it. It tracked. It freaking tracked him. Oh no!
Yeah, we got damage. I don't know how we got damage.
Alright, I'm running. Oh, we
I don't know
got...
how we got damage. Okay. Brightness.
I just blew the canopy.
Yeah, I heard something.
Damn it, my touch controller bumped the canopy release. Well, we're in the convertible model now. I'm botching this landing. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Here we go.
Alright, there's an E I'm supposed to care about. I see an E, and it doesn't even remotely appear to be where it needs to be.
Well, might be because we're
Here we go!
Oh my God!
We did it!
How did we pull that off?
Hey, yeet.